Welcome everybody. We are here today checking out this little town park. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. Today we're driving through the village of Williamsville heading to Glen Park. The village is a very pedestrian friendly area with many shops and restaurants. Since 1976, the park has been owned and maintained by the village of Williamsville and town of Amherst. The location was originally an amusement park. Two fires, one in 1968 and one in 1973, destroyed several buildings which housed nightclubs and casinos. Turning down this street, you'll see the Williamsville water mill. Built in 1801 as a sawmill, and after 1908 the mill was used for cider production. In 2014, Sweet Jenny's Ice Cream renovated and moved in. They have the best orange chocolate ice cream. It's a family-owned business that's been making chocolate and ice cream since 1985. On the second floor is 1811 Comics, and you can shop new and vintage comics. Right behind the park, there's two small parking lots, and there's specific spots for limousines. This park is used as a backdrop for many wedding photos. I didn't know this, but you can actually hold a small ceremony here without fees or a permit, according to the rules. Unfortunately, it's not dog friendly. In the summer, you will see lots of ducks. Hope you enjoy this tour. Thanks. you enjoyed that tour with me today. Give us a thumbs up, leave comments below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.